Right here I have the dehumidifier that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be reviewing the Gasbye dehumidifier that covers up to 4,500 square feet, and this will actually collect 115 pints per day or about 17 gallons. Now this holds 1.7 gallons in its actual tank, but there's something special about this dehumidifier. This dehumidifier actually has a built-in drain. And as you can see right here, it does come with an actual drain hose. It does have a really nice adapter on here where you can take this piece out and you can actually screw this onto a garden hose so you can direct this exactly where you want it to go. And you can put this right back in here. It clicks perfectly. And this side goes in the back of the dehumidifier and it'll actually drain it continually. So if you are covering a great space, about 4,500 square feet in particular, this will actually auto drain for you so you don't have to keep emptying the bucket. Now, if you do want to use the bucket and empty with that, good news for you is it actually has a handle, making that really easy to pick up and drain, maybe in a sink or just carrying it right outside. Now, this dehumidifier has so many amazing features that I want to show you, so let's go ahead and take a closer look. All right, guys, so first thing I want to note on here is this does have an Energy Star rating on here, so that is going to be really awesome. And you might notice that this is black, but it also comes in white, so you can pick the one that suits your needs. Now, as you can see, guys, this is already running right now, and I've actually already been collecting water. So this has been working in my actual basement, and you can see the water level on the outside right there. So we're about halfway. So the bucket doesn't need emptied quite yet, but it is very easy to empty this, and I'm going to show you right now. Now, if you want to empty this out, all you have to do is make sure you turn it off, pull this piece out, and then once it slides out, you can grab the handle, bringing it all the way down. As you can see on the side here, there's a little bit of an opening, so you can angle this and dump it into a sink or just outside or even a drain, anything that's super convenient for you and it's very easy to dump. Simply lift it back up, put the handle down, and then you can close it and it just snaps into place. Very easy and quick. Now there's a bunch of different settings on the top, but it's very easy to see what to do because everything is actually labeled here on the side and shows you what all these different settings and modes actually mean. So if you go ahead and turn it on, it's a very nice touch sensor, very easy to use, and you can actually change the dial here to adjust the setting. Now I have mine set to 35 and I'm running it as normal, and then it will tell me what I'm actually at, which is 39, and that number will start dropping as soon as it starts pulling the humidity out of the air. We have a normal speed and a turbo mode, so if you want to run this a little faster, a little harder, you hit the mode button and then the turbo mode will actually kick on. It's still pretty quiet. This runs at 45 decibels, which really isn't that loud at all. We do have a fan over here, so it does blow out on the side, and the filter is going to be on the back. I also love that right here on the back you do have these little holders here for the cable, so if you do want to transport this, you can roll it up very easily. This is going to be where the nozzle is. Now if you aren't going to be using the hose, you need to make sure that this cap is screwed on tight so that it's not going to drain, and if you are using the hose, you want to make sure there's no water inside. Open this up and you can put the hose right in. On the back you're going to have a filter, so you want to be checking this frequently to make sure that this screen is clean. You can run it underwater and it just simply goes back on. You want to make sure that's always on when you are operating this machine. Pretty long cable as well, so you do need to make sure that this is kind of close to an outlet, or you can just use an extension cord if you have a nice spot by a drain that you want to place this. It's very nice that on this machine there are so many different spots that have all of the information that show you what to do, so it's basically foolproof. It shows you on every single section exactly what to do and how to use it, so that makes it really practical and easy so you know what you're getting into. Also very easy to operate. And as you can see, guys, this actually has wheels on the bottom, so you can maneuver this very easy, spin it around. And we even have a handle on here so you can pick this up. This thing's filled with water, so it is a tad heavy, but I love that handle because you can move this from room to room very easily, especially with the wheels. So if you do want to dump this out anywhere, you can just slide this over, making it really easy to actually use the drain as well. push down on that handle and that pops right back into place. And you also have a timer, a defrosting setting, and then whenever the bucket's actually full, it will shut off and it won't collect any more water so it doesn't spill and make a mess. This will also hit the target temperature, so if you do want to set this at like 40, 45, it'll hit that spot and then it will shut off. And if the humidity rises again, it will kick back on and keep it at that temperature. We also have a comfort level that'll just do an auto, so you can adjust all these settings based on your preference, which makes this really nice. Now, I personally ended up getting this dehumidifier for my basement because I have a new construction build. With the new construction build, they're going to be pouring fresh concrete, and that concrete can actually have moisture in it. So you want to pull that out so it doesn't crack and it doesn't cause mold in the home. Also, with the wood in a new construction build, it could have moisture in the wood, maybe a little bit of water. It might have rained when they were doing the construction, which is very common. And having a dehumidifier can pull the moisture out of the wood in the concrete, eliminating future mold and problems that can occur. And that's exactly why I wanted this dehumidifier. It has been working amazing and definitely doing its job here in my basement. And that's exactly why I wanted a dehumidifier that I can trust, and this one is definitely it. I highly recommend this dehumidifier. Make sure you add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.